Good afternoon, folks. This is Fred Campos, owner of DFW Website Designers. It is a beautiful, wonderful, melting Sunday, February the 6th, 2022. This is episode number 318 of your 3 business tips at 3 o'clock and in around 3 minutes. Today, we start a new series this week, Sunday through Saturday. We're going to talk about business basics. We're going to run through about 7 different categories of business basics, and we really want to dive into today functionality. What is functionality? It's going to be talking about sales, operation and production, financing, and accounting. Now, small business folks, we've been talking about lots of tips, but now is a time to take a week and go back to the basics, go into the core, go into the details of the areas that we need so that we make sure we've got these covered. Business tip number 1. Regardless of your small business, whether you're doing e-commerce, whether you sell a widget or you provide a service, some element of what you do or your staff is going to have to work on sales. We're long past the time when if you build it, they will come. In the web design business, I have clients all the time that says, well, as soon as I put my website together, sales are just going to come right on in. That is not true. Sales take effort. Even when you have the greatest product and the greatest service, they require follow-up, they require initiation, they require contracts, they require you actually soliciting and getting bids back and forth. Very few items, especially in the small business arena, are transactional enough where they occur without any intervention on your part. Number 2, business tip number 2, operations and productions. You've got to figure out the daily operations and productions of what that means. Now, for a small e-commerce site, this may be as simple as every Friday you're going to take the orders in, you're going to grab it off the shelf, you're going to package it up and ship it out. And then you got some sort of email back to the client. Well, even on the smallest scale, there's got to be procedures in place for operations or productions. In the web design business, we take a sale, we get the specs, we create the website, we go round and round with the customer, we add the logos, we take them live. There still is a systematic method of operations. Even if you're a solopreneur, you might have to trade hats and go, okay, this hat is for sales, this hat is for operations, so that you can distinguish the 3 different areas of your business. Business tip number 3, and the last part of the business, is you're going to have some sort of financing or accounting. Now, again, in the simplest form, that may be doing a transaction on your website that goes straight into your PayPal account, but you may want to apply taxes or get that ready for your accountant. There's still some form of accounting. For most of you small businesses, there'll be an invoicing process. There may be a refund process. There's going to be some transactional money version of that, even if you sweep it into your checking account. And when I meet so many small businesses in the website business, they usually have one of these 3 hats on, but they need to realize, especially when they're starting out, that it's going to take all of them, whether it be sales, whether it be operation, or whether it be accounting, but it takes all 3 to have a good functional business. That's what I'm learning this week. That's what we're going to study on these business basics. I want you guys to be awesome and go back to sleep.